lead the product support engineering team, specifically focused on new product introductions. So we usually get involved a couple years before a product launches. Our goal has really been to try to get into the design as early as possible to make sure that this product is really serviceable, that it's easy for our engineers to service, and that it's cost effective. We're really moving into developing troubleshooting material, cross-training our teams, and getting ready to support the field.
We have tech supports globally. We have a team in the US, a team in Japan, a team in Korea, so all have to know how to support DV5. We think the product is really next generation, and we really think it's going to make an impact. You can easily look at the product and you can see it's brand new and shiny. It's got all these new cool features. But at the end of the day, to me, I think it's all about the end user. Did we provide enough information? Did we provide enough guidance?
What sets DaVinci 5 apart is the involvement of many teams and individuals that put in a lot of time and effort to make the improvements that we've gained over the years as from our customer experience. And so our team would, go to their drawing board and design and start thinking about what can we do better.
I joined Intuitive as a field service engineer, servicing systems, all of our DaVinci systems and Ion systems in the Bay Area, from SFs all the way out to Sonora. We tried to make DaVinci 5 as easy to service as possible so that we don't need someone with 10 years of experience to feel confident with the system. We can have someone brand new come out of training and just feel confident that they can easily do everything they need to do to diagnose problems. That's what we're aiming for.
I love being able to work on new products. I think it's really exciting to see what the newest best thing is that Intuitive is able to come out with.
We think this is a better product, and the only way to really prove that is to get it in the hands of our customers and to get them to start using it. So I'm really excited about that.
It has servos, it has controls, it has logic, it has software, everything that I've worked with pretty much all my years.
Every day I get to work on this system. I get to really go into the nitty-gritty and see, oh, this is exactly how it works. It's just like solving a fun puzzle every day, and that's what I enjoy most about this job.
When I first joined, I said, this is the future of surgery. This is the future of taking care of our patients.
Three,
2,
1. DaVinci 5 is ready.
DaVinci is ready.